Hi, my name is Shri Hari Vishnu. Uh, what I will do when my friend gets breakup is first thing what I'll do is listen to him. So that's the best thing I can do for him. And the first and foremost thing we all can do because things like this can be said to our parents or to our relatives. The only one people can rely on is their friends. So when your friend tells you something about it, and if he comes and tells you about breakup, don't avoid him, and I will first listen to him. So the second thing what I will do is I will spend more time with him than before. So we all know the quote, idle mind is devil's workshop. When he becomes alone and he becomes idle, he will start he'll start getting all those bad memories, and he will feel about it. So what I'll do is I'll spend more time with him than before and take him outside as I can. And I will take him outside as possible I can. So when we take him outside, he'll feel refreshing, and I will forget all those things. I'll not forget all the things, but at least when I take him outside, and I will make him spend his time more spend more of his time with his friends. So friends are the only medicine for these things. And the next thing I'll do is I'll make him prove that there are a lot more people worthier to get his love. So I'll prove that the girl is not worthier to get him love, and is more worthier than that girl to get love. I need to divert him as possible I can to make him forget all those things. And the next thing I will do is I'll make him that he should will make him get out of this feeling by engaging him in some useful things, like taking him to a class, a yoga class or athletic class, or roaming out with him. So these all will make him forget all those things, isn't it? And the next thing I'll do is make him mature about what he was thinking. He should realize that feeling about this is not important, and he, and he should think that he should make progress in life to come over it. So I will insist him again and again that what he is going to know is useless, and he has to move on in life. Usually people who gets breakup think that the loved ones has left them, but I will make him realize that she's not only who loves him. He has his parents, his friends, and many other relatives and friends and classmates. Everyone loves him. So we'll make him realize that uh, she's not the only one who's worthy for his love. We all are worthy of his love, and he should love back people who love him again. If we do all those things, he himself at a point will realize that there are people who love him other than this girl. So he will come over it and will be back as what he is. Thank you.